Hi friends, welcome to my channel Cook Create Explore. In this video I'm sharing a recipe of Nafrat ka sharbat. I came across this drink over the internet and thought of giving it a try. To get started with the recipe, take some saffron and soak it in some warm milk for 10 to 15 minutes. In a large bowl, take some milk, add in sugar. I'm taking 500 ml milk and adding around half a cup of sugar. You can add more or less depending on the sweetness you need. Add in the soaked saffron and mix well. Next step is to add the grated apple. I've taken one apple, peeled off the skin and grated directly into the milk. I'm adding some food color. This is optional. If you don't like it, you can skip this. Add in some grated pistachios and mix it well. You can add in some ice cubes or leave it in the refrigerator for 1 or 2 hours and serve it chilled. Thank you for watching my videos. If you like my videos, please do like, share and subscribe.